Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Porchy Tech, where I do unboxing, phone reviews, and all the other tech bells and whistles regarding the iPhone, Samsungs, and various different devices, Apple Watches, and accessories. Okay, so this is another video that I have for you today, but before I get into this video, please consider heading on down below and subscribe and turn your notification bell on to get notified when I have uploads on this channel. Okay, so I ordered this case on Amazon here, and we're gonna unbox this, put it on the iPhone, see how it looks, and give our opinion on this. Okay, so let's get into this. So here's I have the package. Not wasting any time now, let's rip this open and take it out of the package. Alright, so we're gonna toss this aside, and this is TAWIKO case for a mobile phone. This is it right here. Alright, this is for the iPhone 12 Pro Max. I have the Pacific Blue iPhone 12 Pro Max, and I'm gonna unbox this case for you, put it on the phone, and see how it looks. Let me get a pin here, see if I could pop this thing open right here. That's one thing I'm pretty sure I forgot something. Should have had a knife to open this, but let's put that aside just in case we need it again. Let's see which case is this, because I did order a couple cases, but let's see this one. So this is a black case, has some red buttons, comes with this little strap here at the bottom, which I'm sure I'm not gonna use this. Okay, let's take the package out of the way here. Get that sticker out. What do they see? Is this a gift card? Alright, so this says if I review this, share my experience by writing a review on Amazon, and you will receive an Amazon e-gift card. I'll try that, see if it works, or if you want to, you could go ahead, hit this information and try for yourself. Not sure if I'm gonna do that. So this comes with a strap here. Not sure why would I need a strap, but definitely not gonna use this. So let's get that out of the way. So this is the case that I got here. Okay, and it's a TAWIKO case for mobile phone. That's the name of the company that makes the case, and this is a model that I have here. This is a black case, and it has some protection in here for the camera cutout. This is my first time buying a case with this on here. I've seen a few of them on Amazon. So this does have some red button here for the power on the iPhone. The volume up and down is also red, light red, not dark red, but looks okay. And it also has a cutout for your silent switch. Okay, it does have also the speaker grill cutout here at the bottom, and your charging port. This is gonna be interesting because this is a black case with the Pacific Blue iPhone. So I'm gonna go ahead and see how this looks. So the highlighted colors here for the volume and power looks really nice, makes the case pop a little bit. So let's put this on and see what it looks like. Looks good from the front, and the back you can't even tell that it's a blue iPhone. Look at this, guys. Oh man. Everything just blends right in. So it covers the camera here. All the cameras are covered. The bump, it just exposed the lenses. So the lenses are the only thing that's exposed here in the back. The flash and our lidar sensor here as well. Looks really nice. I pretty much thought it would not look, I didn't know it would look this good. When I saw the case, I'm like, black case with a blue phone, but they know what they're doing. They know they're gonna pretty much cover up all the colors so nothing looks off. So look at this, has some nice squared off edges here like the iPhone. Nice matte finish here in the back. Our cameras are covered as well. It makes this looks like one of those graphite color iPhones. So if you want to have a graphite iPhone 12 Pro Max, the only thing that throws this off is the colors on the volume up and down and the power button, but can't complain. It looks really nice if you want to have something that looks different. Okay, so this case is a TAWIKO case for mobile phone, and this is for the iPhone 12 Pro Max. I'm gonna have the link for this case in the description, just in case you decide that you want to go ahead and pick up one of these cases from Amazon. Okay, but protection wise, it does offer a lot of protection. As you can see, your camera bump is covered, everything's flush right here with your lenses. That's the only thing. And the edges here, as you can see, they're raised above the lenses a little bit on the top of the bump here in the back. Okay, so that's some good protection for your camera there. On the back, sits really flush, has a little bit of movement here, but not too much. On the face, it has a little lip here that protects your screen as well. So if you have your phone face down, your screen is protected. Okay, so again, it looks really nice. They're cut out here for your speaker grill and your charging port, and this looks really nice. So if you, as I said before, if you want to switch it, whatever color iPhone you have, and you want to switch to a graphite, grab this case and it pretty much have a graphite iPhone. All right, so let's take this off. And as I said before, I'm gonna have the link for this in the description, so you can go ahead and purchase it there. So this is what it looks like without the phone. Really a little more transparent here, as you can see. That's how it looks. Your volume rockers, that's the back. This is a cutout here for your cameras. Okay, and your power button here. So again, this case, it offers a little difference. It kind of separates you from the others with just the regular cases. Some cases do have the opening in the bottom here, but I like it covered. This looks really nice, guys. So as I said, if you have a different color iPhone and you're worried about what it's gonna look like with this case, it pretty much covers up the color of your iPhone and transforms it into the color of the case, pretty much. So you can't go wrong with this case. All right, so again, thank you for watching. Thank you for taking your time out to look at this video. Okay, I do appreciate it. And please, if you haven't subscribed, go ahead, hit that subscribe button, turn that notification bell on to get notified when I have uploads on this channel. Okay, thank you for watching again. Peace.